This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda Pilot engine air filter. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and a new engine air filter. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off. Now, let's locate the air filter housing, which is typically a black box found under the hood, usually on the passenger side. It's a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself. Now that you've located the housing, it's time to open it up. You'll see 4 Phillips head screws on the top of the air filter box. Carefully unscrew these 4 screws. You don't need to remove them completely, just loosen them until they are disengaged. Once loosened, gently lift the top half of the air filter housing. Take a moment to observe how the old filter is seated inside. With the housing open, carefully pull out the old, dirty engine air filter. You might notice it's quite dark and full of debris. Before inserting the new filter, quickly wipe out any leaves or dirt inside the housing. Now, take your new, clean air filter and place it into the housing, ensuring it sits snugly and in the same orientation as the one you removed. This ensures proper airflow. Almost done, carefully lower the top half of the air filter housing back onto its base, making sure it aligns properly. Once aligned, tighten the 4 Phillips head screws you loosened earlier. Don't over-tighten them, just make them snug. Finally, start your Honda Pilot's engine and listen for any unusual sounds. You've successfully changed your engine air filter, improving your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.